Hi everyone, I'm Nisha from JV Fashions. I'm going to start a sewing basic series. So this series is going to be having 3 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm going to do it in 2 languages, English and Tamil. Okay, so this is free course. I'm going to post the videos in IGTV as well as in YouTube. I'll tell you how the course will be. Okay, so alternative days I'll post the videos. Okay, so from today we are going to start the course. Today is going to be first day of the course. So Monday. So next day, tomorrow, Tuesday, today I'll post the video. Tomorrow you'll have a Q&A session. So Q&A session is to clarify the doubts of today's video. Wednesday I'll post one more video and Thursday you'll have Q&A session. So like this you will be getting alternative days Q&A session and alternative days videos. So in that case I can clarify all the doubts, and also I'll clarify the doubts only regarding to the videos what I'm posting. Apart from that, if you ask any doubt, sorry, I'll ignore it because I'm taking online course, so I can't guide completely in free. Okay, so whatever topics I'm posting, from that if you have any doubts, I am free to clarify your doubts. Today's topic is going to be how to take body measurement. Generally people think taking body measurement is very simple, but I would suggest to take a body measurement we need lot of practice, because body measurement plays the major role in pattern making. So when you go wrong in taking body measurement, the complete effort what you have done, everything will become waste. You watch the video carefully and take your self measurement. I'll just show you. So I will teach you how to take the body measurement from the dress form. So when you are going to take the measurement, you can learn how to take the measurement from the other's body, or if you want to take the measurement for yourself, place the tape exactly how I have shown in the dress form. Take, but when you take the measurement from your own body, don't be very stiff, relax your body and take the measurement, because automatically when we take our measurement we make our body stiff. That will make the measurements go wrong. So relax your body and take the measurement. And one more thing, when you take the measurement, don't keep any fingers inside, take the exact body measurement. After that, when we make the draft, we'll put some calculations and give some ease to the body. Take the exact measurement, that will give you the perfect fitting. Now let's move on to the video. Okay, so all the best and keep posting me your works. I'll guide you. If there is any mistakes, I'll correct you, no worries. So, and also I'll teach you how to make a perfect stitches, everything in my upcoming videos. All the best. Happy sewing. Bye bye.